This is 10 days
Yes.
following the lumbar decompression and stabilisation.
Yeah,
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good.
Yeah.
I'm still being careful because I can feel that the wounds
From the
is
operation.
healing, but I feel completely transformed really by it.
Your
I
posture?
can walk without pain. My posture, yes, is different. I mean, I'm aware that...
Yeah, you're standing straighter.
Yeah,
You are
I'm
standing straighter. Yeah.
I can walk now without pain in my leg. I get a little bit of pain at the sort of end of the day when I get tired.
Yes.
And I'm really looking forward to doing some physio to
And it's only 10
really
days.
build up the muscles again.
Can I see you walk?
Yeah, sure.
Good. And then back that way. Be careful, there's a step. Fantastic. Really good. 10 days after decompression and stabilisation.